Hello students, this is Rakesh Misra present before you with a topic in English literature, the play Tempest. I am going to introduce the play Tempest. Now the question will arise in your mind, why the title of the play Tempest is quite suitable. Tempest means fast blowing of the wind, a type of cyclone, a storm. This play is written by William Shakespeare, a Renaissance product and Elizabethan scholar. Who is William Shakespeare? A Renaissance product and Elizabethan scholar. He is known as prince among the poets and king among the dramatists. Now the question will arise in your mind, why Shakespeare is known as prince among the poets and king among the dramatists. Prince among the poets on account of his 154 number of sonnets. How many sonnets? 154 sonnets. 126 sonnet direct address to his best friend W.H. Earl and 26 sonnet direct address to Dark Lady. Who is Dark Lady? A deceitful flirt beloved of William Shakespeare. And two more sonnets dedicated to love god, Cupid and Venus. So in this regard, Shakespeare has written 154 sonnets in dedication to his best friend W.H. Earl, love god along with Dark Lady, a deceitful and flirt beloved of William Shakespeare. Actually, number of sonnets more and more. This is why Shakespeare is regarded as, on account of the popularity of the sonnet, prince among the poets. What is sonnet? Sonnet, metric composition of 14 lines poem known as sonnet. Often written on theme love, friendship, morality, death. It's clear? Maximum sonnet written by William Shakespeare on the topic of either friendship or love. This is why love and friendship common theme in entire sonnets of William Shakespeare. Later, when we talk about William Shakespeare's drama, Shakespeare has written 37 dramas, including comedy, tragedy, historical tragedy and romance. It means 37 dramas by William Shakespeare divided into many categories like tragedy, comedy, historical tragedy, romance. Now further the question will arise in your mind, what is comedy and what is tragedy? Tragedy is an imitation of serious action, whereas comedy is an imitation of comic action, humorous action. So tragedy is an imitation of serious action that is arousing pity and fear, causing spiritually balance. But comedy is an imitation of comic and humorous action that is arousing joy, laughter, happiness, pleasure, mirth, fun, but serious sometime too. Now whenever you talk about romance, so Shakespeare has written also romance. If you talk about the romance, because William Shakespeare has used emotion, imagination and feelings recollected in his tranquility that has been used in his drama. It's clear? Now next, the historical background. Actually, numerous plays by William Shakespeare like Henry IV, Henry III, Richard III, Julius Caesar, that is based on historical. Four mature tragedies just with pen of William Shakespeare, that is Hamlet, King Lear, Othello and Macbeth. Macbeth in 1606, Hamlet 1601, King Lear 1603, Othello 1604. Four world famous tragedies just with pen of William Shakespeare, and that became the reason behind the popularity, reputation and greatness of William Shakespeare. It's clear? Now whenever you talk about comedies, it is said Shakespearean comedies are essentially romantic by nature, not only on account of romantic love interest, but with mirth, fun, humor, along with serious, tragic and comic episode. The play what we are going to study, Tempest, is a romance but comedy in theme, tragicomedy. So what is comedy? Shakespearean comedies are essentially romantic by nature. How by nature? Romantic by nature. Why it's romantic by nature? Not only on account of romantic love interest with mirth, fun, humor, along with serious, tragic and comic action. A number of plays by William Shakespeare on this base, just like you read Merchant of Venice, Much Ado About Nothing, As You Like It, as well as Love, Labor, Lost, a number of. It's clear? Now, the greatness of William Shakespeare as a playwright. William Shakespeare is regarded as sweetest Shakespeare fancy child by John Milton, a prominent Puritan scholar. His best friend and prominent writer during the classical era, Ben Jonson, stated Shakespeare was not for age but for all age. Matthew Arnold, prominent Victorian scholar, pointing out, just by saying that others abide our question, thou art free. So in this regard, W.J. Long, a prominent critic, also esteemed on high about William Shakespeare when he stated that Shakespeare was a universal scholar. So in this regard, the prominent scholar William Shakespeare, how actually got name, fame, popularity in the field of literature, it is said it lies on account of pre-Shakespearean dramatists who are regarded as university weeds. Who the university weeds? The scholars belonging to Cambridge and Oxford University, pre-Shakespearean dramatists known as university weeds. Who are they? Christopher Marlowe, George Peele, Thomas Knox, Robert Greene. When you talk about Shakespearean plays, Shakespeare has borrowed numerous points from such university weeds, means the scholars belonging to Cambridge and Oxford University. Just like while writing tragedies like Hamlet, King Lear, Othello, Macbeth, he followed the tradition of Thomas Kidd, a prominent scholar of university weeds. Robert Greene, in whose drama company he was working, he learned a lot from him. George Peele, Thomas Knox, Christopher Marlowe also helped him in many of his work related to historical play along with some of the comic plays too. It's clear? Now come to the background of William Shakespeare, especially about his biography. William Shakespeare was born in England, Stafford-on-Brook near the River Avon on 23rd April 1564. His father, John Shakespeare, mother, Mary Shakespeare, belonging to lower middle class of family. Beginning of the stage, there was not so good of the financial condition. His father was a gloves maker. That's why business not profitable. As a result, Shakespeare did not get any opportunity to study neither in Cambridge nor Oxford nor Wittenberg University in local school of the college. He studied there a little Latin and less Greek. After that, definitely the question will arise in your mind, when Shakespeare didn't get any opportunity to study in great universities like Wittenberg, Cambridge, Oxford, then how he became so popular? It was only on account of the conditions, circumstances faced by him. He was a nature child. Nature uplifted him. Nature enriched him. Now Shakespeare, when comes at the age of 16, then he began to fall in love with Anne Hathaway. Anne Hathaway and Shakespeare comes together. Later on, at the age of 18, William Shakespeare becomes very close and intimate to Anne Hathaway. Anne Hathaway was 8 years older to him. She was of 26, he was of 18. They began to fall in love at very first sight. First attempt love in personal life of William Shakespeare that can be noticed in entire dramas of William Shakespeare. Even in Tempest drama, also you'll find that first time Ferdinand Miranda began to fall in love. Why? Because this is in personal life of William Shakespeare. First attempt love. What is love? Love is a spiritual union of two souls. It kindles mind, soul and sense organs. Love means sacrifice. Love means care, understanding, belief. Every aspect of this point you'll find in almost all the characters of William Shakespeare who are belonging to romantic in genre. In this play Tempest also you'll study when Ferdinand Miranda comes close to each other, they respect the feeling of each other, they understand each other, they were ready to sacrifice for each other. Almost all the symptoms of love can be noticed in such young couple. So in this regard, when William Shakespeare and Anne Hathaway began to fall in love with each other, at that time already Shakespeare was facing financial crisis. His condition was not so good. Yet, on account of romance being in each other, she becomes pregnant before the marriage. Shakespeare was bound to get her married. After the marriage, she had given birth to twins, Hamnet and Judith. In this regard, Shakespeare became father of two children, Hamnet and Judith. Now, it was the required time for William Shakespeare to go ahead to earn something. That's why it is said that Shakespeare left his hometown and went to London. He joined the drama company of Robert Greene, a prominent scholar and dramatist during pre-Shakespearean dramatist like university weeds. In this way, William Shakespeare learned a lot in his drama company. It is said that the handwritten diary of Robert Greene came in touch of William Shakespeare. When they suspected, Shakespeare decided to leave the drama company and to open up his own theatre. The name of theatre is Globe Theatre. Now Shakespeare, a hero or director of his time, whose every drama almost became super duper hit. Drama medium of expression, what? To expose the society, to expose the follies, to entertain the public. Just like movie, what is the purpose of movie? Movie is the mirror of the society. Drama is also the mirror of the society. The purpose of movie: to entertain, to make career, to amuse the society. Similar pattern, the purpose of drama: to entertain the society, to amuse the society, to expose the follies of the society, to make career and to earn money. Now Shakespeare needed an actress. This was the time when William Shakespeare comes in touch of dark lady. A dark lady to William Shakespeare. At very first moment, they began to fall in love. It's clear? It was dark lady on account of which William Shakespeare has used every drama first attempt love. Love at first sight. Merchant of Venice also find the statement of Lorenzo when he stated that love is blind. Means love looks not to the eyes but to the mind. This is in personal life William Shakespeare. Now dark lady begins to fall in love with Shakespeare and Shakespeare to dark lady. Now it was glamorous and beautiful period of William Shakespeare's life. Shakespeare started writing comedies, romance. This was the peak of his career from 1588 onwards. The first play of William Shakespeare, Love Labour Lost, and then further number of drama like Much Ado About Nothing, As You Like It, Romeo and Juliet. So in this regard, from 1589 to 1599, this was the period between the mutual understanding of William Shakespeare and Dark Lady. This made William Shakespeare very popular and famous, a renowned person in all over the world. Okay, but on account of knowing about the popularity of William Shakespeare, the best friend of William Shakespeare, W.H. Earl, decided to meet his friend. As a result, when W.H. Earl came to meet William Shakespeare, at first moment Shakespeare was not there, and W.H. Earl put his glance at Dark Lady and Dark Lady to William Shakespeare. They began to fall in love. Without introduction of William Shakespeare, Dark Lady and W.H. Earl came closer. Because it is said W.H. Earl was more handsome than William Shakespeare. This can be noticed in the sonnet of William Shakespeare when I compare thee to a summer. A sonnet of William to his love. When he is saying that, oh my faithless friend, can I compare your beauty to the summer season? No, no, you are more handsome than of this summer season. Because summer season may be disturbed on account of changing weather, but your beauty, whatever I written just in my composition, that is permanent and everlasting. It's perpetual. It's endless. It's okay. So now William Shakespeare, when meet to WHL, becomes very much glad and seeing that you, my best friend, just very close bonding, intimate bonding to each other. But our Lady W.H. Earl was in touch with the Dark Lady. Ultimately, W.H. Earl left William Shakespeare. Dark Lady too left Shakespeare and went away with W.H. Earl. This was very crucial period in life of William Shakespeare. Perhaps this is the reason behind first attempt love, first glance love in plays of Shakespeare. Why? Because Dark Lady left Shakespeare and went away with W.H. Earl. This is only the greatness of Shakespeare. Why? Because direct address to his friend, he has written 126 sonnets. And that Dark Lady 26 sonnet, it was love, that's why 2 more sonnet. So 100 writing 154 sonnet, Shakespeare became immortal in history of English literature. It's clear? Now further we will study in next lecture about the introduction of the play mode. Thank you.